Hello, this is Matt. This is my best superhero hat, and I need your help to protect Pistol Packin' Pilot, Triple P. You may have known he's crazy, right? He's giving away all this silver for his 500 sub giveaway. I have two pieces of proof that prove that he is out of his mind and he could be clinically insane, and I think that gets him out of the giveaway. So if you guys will help me, I think we can get him out of this predicament that he's in. First reason I know he's crazy is the man is burning. He's basically giving away his Scottsdale stackers. And I love Scottsdale stackers, but when I saw this is what he's doing. He is basically destroying silver. And the second reason I know he's crazy, and look at it, if you look at his past videos, he's always described his Freedom Tower perfectly. He said it's 170 10-ounces, and then he needs 6 more, right? Well, if you watch the gall, he said it incorrectly. He said he needed 170 10-ounces, and then he needed somebody to pour a 7.6 ounce. Do you catch what I'm saying? The man was not in his right mind. He was asking for 177.6 ounces on the tower. It wasn't right. I'm thinking that wasn't even Pistol Packin' Pilot. Are you with me? And if he really wants my opinion, I could help this guy. 3 kilos, 168 10-ounces, and you'll have 0.45, which is 45 ACP. Think about it, man. 45 ACP. So if that was you, I want you to reconsider putting 3 kilos at the base. That's a foundation. I know you're a pilot. You're not an engineer, but so I'll try to speak your language, okay? I think you need to be grounded, right? You're burning through silver. You roasted a bunch of people, right? And then you did those super quick videos just because Fish told you your videos are too long. Mayday, mayday, man. You are descending. And you know what? It's a displaced threshold. You're landing short. The ILS is shut down. Pappies are all reading red. Your instruments are down, man. Pull the string. We need to abort mission. You need to go around, go back, reattack. Am I connecting with you yet? I know you're a pilot. Again, I'm an engineer, but the winds have changed. You're approaching the wrong end. You're coming down on this 3-degree glide path, right? But you're shaky because you're giving up. You're giving up over 3% of your stack. I know 3-degree glide path sounds perfect, but it's too much. It's too much. And you remember when your wife in the background that one time said, "But you're blind." You know what? You are flying blind, man. And these are IFR conditions. You are not ready for this. You're not equipped for this. And I'm giving you a way out of it. This is a superhero hat. There's other superheroes. There's Marvel fans. We even have Star Wars fans. We are heroes. We're ready to be the heroes that we were meant to be. We are ready to join our hero's journey and protect you. So here's what we can do. We can pull that video. You want to do it? We will claim that you were temporarily insane. Any man that did perfect on the Freedom stack and then all of a sudden mentally could not remember how to add. And then the fact that you're giving these away, these are extremely valuable. And some of us out here in the community like to mess them up. We need more of these. I need your 10-ounce stacker. But I don't want it if you're not mentally 100%. So again, I'm doing my best. I did the GAW shout out, and I am so sorry that I did it. If you need me to, I will cancel it. I will delete it and be the hero I'm supposed to be. Pistol Packin' Pilot, you got to tell us, man. Are you seeing straight? Do you see the horizon? Do you see the touchdown points? Let us know. See ya!